Hello friends, we are back again and this time with an automobile review. Yes, it's for the new Tata Tiago. This is the facelift version with BS6 compliant 1.2 liter Reverton petrol engine. The car is available in 6 different shades. The shades are flame red, Daytona grey, pure silver, tectonic blue, pearlescent white and victory yellow. There are 5 models for manual transmission and 2 automatic transmission models. Let me take you through the features to decide on the best value for money variant of Tata Tiago. So let's look at the point of pricing. The ex-showroom price starts from 4,60,000 till 6,10,000 rupees for the manual transmissions. The automatic transmission is available from 6,20,000 to 6,60,000 rupees. AMT is available only in top models like XZ and XZ Plus. The best thing about Tata is uniform ex-showroom price across the country. One country, one price. The additional cost for on-road running includes costs like dealer handling charges, 5 years road tax with registration, insurance and FASTag. Now let's look at the common features. From safety point, Tata has made its strong presence with the likes of cars like Nexon or Altroz with 5-star safety rating. Tiago has 4-star NCAP safety rating, which is the highest in this segment. Next best is Hyundai i10 with 3-star and most of the cars have 2-star or less ratings. So to focus on safety, Tiago has all the basic safety features in all the models starting from the base variant. This includes dual front airbag, build quality, overspeed alert, seatbelt reminders as well as parking sensors. For comfort, all the variants have electric power steering with tilt adjustable feature. You also get fully digital instrument cluster for all the variants. Tiago also offers body colored bumper and flat bottom steering for all the models. Now let's look at the point of difference. While the XC, XT, XZ models offers R14 real steams, XZ Plus and XZ Plus GT offers diamond cut alloy wheel with R15 size. Front fog lamp, rear wiper and defogger is available only from XZ variant. The base model comes without any infotainment system, but XT offers ConnectNet infotainment system from Harman. The models above XT offers a 7-inch infotainment system which definitely looks premium. You get parking sensors in the base variant and sensor plus guide till XZ variant. Only the XZ Plus variant and above provides parking assist with rear parking camera, which is definitely a premium feature. Again, premium piano black ORVMs are available only from XZ Plus variants. While from XZ variants you get body colored side air vents. So friends, according to us, you should go for Tata Tiago XZ Plus because you pay only 80,000 extra, but you get premium features like alloy wheel, piano black ORVMs, rear parking camera, R15 alloy wheels, which is worth the money. That's why we are suggesting you the XZ Plus variant. So that's all for today. Thanks for watching our video. Please subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon to get similar updates in future. Don't forget to click the like button before closing.